Coconut water is called liquid gold from a tree. Coconut water is not just a refreshing drink, it has some amazing properties. It is rich in electrolytes, enzymes, amino acids, minerals, potassium, magnesium, vitamins, riboflavin, vitamin C, and fiber. Coconut water boosts the immune system because its lauric acid has antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral properties which fight infection while getting rid of intestinal worms and candida bacteria. The potassium in coconut water helps maintain water pressure in the cells and blood. Coconut water also improves nervous system functions and it prevents cramps and spasms in the muscles. Coconut water reduces the risk of high blood pressure and stroke and helps to prevent kidney stones. It also has compounds that protect cells from aging and getting cancer. Coconut water straight from the coconut is much better than the bottled ones. The potassium in coconut water regulates the heartbeat and lower blood pressure. This is the reason coconut water is touted to be the only water that goes straight to the heart. Coconut water does not go to the heart, but the potassium has an effect on the heart.